and today we are at Subway. So guys, we are here at Subway and we are trying out their newly launched product called Subway Cider. It has a very standardized set sort of ingredients, and this has Chipotle sauce in it and lots of veggies and a well toasted bun. ठीक है? Try करते हैं. I really like the bread. The bread's very good and it's very crisp. So I think it's a secret recipe and it's very good. And the chicken is like well marinated, it's spicy, lots of vegetables, and the chipotle sauce, so I love that sauce. It's like really, really good. So this tender spicy chicken sub, it's pretty economical and very pocket friendly, priced at ₹190. I think anyone can have it if you're not very hungry or if you just want a quick light bite. This is your meal.